Hi, this is a little cheat that I found on my survival. You just stand on this ladder, they fall down. As you can see, I have a pile right here. I'll show you this for a good while. You can see the two piles right here. Been doing it for that long. Okay, well that's long enough. And if you do this and it works again, then good job.